Hey everyone, this is Mary Grace Pilayo from BE Ed 4A. Please continue watching my chosen art. Thank you. I choose this Filipino indigenous artwork of a Bahay Kubo because it reminds me of our home before and the simple life my family had before. So when I first saw this artwork, I immediately remembered our old house, which looks very similar to a Bahay Kubo. It brought back many memories of our life as a complete family. This artwork shows a simple rural life where a family lives together peacefully. For me, it represents happiness, contentment, and togetherness. Even though the house is small and simple, it is filled with love. That is exactly how I remember my childhood, simple but meaningful. I choose this piece because it reminds me of that time when our family was complete. I always wish I could go back to that time when we were all together, living happily even without many material things. We did not have much, but we had love, laughter, and support for one another. This simple life we had helped shape who I am today. It taught me to appreciate small things, value family, and be content with what I have. I will always treasure those memories and I will never forget where I came from. That is why this artwork is a very special to me.